What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral for a big build update today. Just want to say up front, hit that like button if y'all are enjoying the build series, as well as if this is your first time watching this build series. Links in the description for every part to get where I am today. And I just want to say thank y'all for watching, and thanks for hitting the like button and subscribing if you haven't. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be metering my big wall build that I just finished up. The previous video I made for a demo just to show y'all the sub's brand new. Everybody that commented to say, hey, what did you think it would meter? On the high end, I'll be metering today, so stay tuned for a shout out as well for the one that had the closest comment to that. So let's go ahead and get digging in. So before that, just want to make sure everybody knows what's on this system as far as where the meter score is going to be and what equipment I have and everything. So it's 4 SoundQubed HDX4 18s and a 5.2 to 1 ratio fourth order. My ultimate goal is to do an SPL test, taping the whole box when I'm done. Right now it looks ugly. It's probably going to look ugly to a lot of people regardless. This is just me. I like to be loud. But I'll be doing a before and after test on how it meters with the gains on after I do all my adjustments, as well as the tape on my second channel, JacobViral 2. So you'll have to check that out in the second channel. Link in the description. So now that's for the subs. My electrical is a excess power Group 65 under the hood with a 350 amp alternator. I'm running one alternator, and then I have in the back, this is all the guys, a lot of you that are watching already know this, but I want to make sure everybody knows what I have. And then I have a Group 75 excess power in the back on a Crescendo 6000. So a 6,000 watt amplifier on 418s. It's wired to half ohm on 418s. I don't know what the rise is or clamping or anything right now, but I pretty much have everything dialed in. I haven't done any testing or tuning, and the subs are brand new. But there y'all go. You can kind of see what it is as far as all of the equipment that I have. Any questions, feel free to ask, and enjoy the video as I'm about to show y'all what it meters. I'm going to do the test with y'all together on camera so everybody can kind of see how I do it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Once again, everybody that commented on the last video, it was a quick demo to show y'all a video on how everything looked as far as how it sounded, what it was doing as far as like on the low end and the high end, and we'll find out today what it meters. This is my first time officially metering it as well. So I'm going to be using an SSA meter today. This is pretty much the same as a term lab. It's probably about 0.1 or 2 dBs off, but it's definitely very accurate. And I always meter on the glass. So I'm going to have it right here on the glass. I don't have a dash in here. My old build, I actually took it all out. The base pressure and all really didn't do well in here for it. So let me go ahead and get everything set up and turned on. All I got for mids and highs is literally just 2 8.5s here, right here. 6.5s, but I'm more of a bass head where I just like the bass. I can always work on that later. And of course, all the build updates to see all the previous stuff I've done has been on my second channel, so you'll have to check out JacobViral 2 on the second channel for that. So let me make sure I get my iPod. So I got another phone here I'm going to use that's linked to the actual meter to get everything set up. So it takes about 30 seconds, and I'll be able to show y'all how I figure out my peak first. So I got my meter hooked up to the phone, but you actually have to have the meter. Link in the description I'll be able to put as well for y'all to see, hey, where do you get those at? So you'll be able to find out where I get it at. So be able to meter your own system. And it's not cheap, but it also isn't expensive if you use the portable ones. All right, so let me go ahead and make sure I have all my settings right, and we'll find out what it peaks at, and then we'll do a burp and we'll find out exactly what it meters. And a shout out will be going to the one that was guessed closest from the previous comments. So sorry if I'm moving around a lot on the camera. It's just how it is to make it work here. All right, so we're gonna do volume 20. I do low volume first to find out what my initial peak is, and then I'll do a full tilt burp for the initial results. So let's go ahead and go to my test tones and do a sweep, and we'll find out what the peak is first. So this is gonna be the score. We'll find out what it is right now. This is on the glass, so hit that like button, let me know what y'all think as well, and we'll find out first low volume, and then we'll do high volume. All right, so first low volume. Alright, so I'm peaking at 48 hertz, so that means I'm going to burp a 49 hertz. I always go up 1 hertz from what I see, because if for some reason I always peak a hertz or two higher than it burps at. Keep in mind, I haven't done any tuning or tweaking of the port, and we'll find out what this meter's here. And then, yep, from there we'll find out who guessed the closest from the previous video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and we're about to find out. I'm going to do a full tilt burp right now. We'll find out what this does on only 6,000 watts clamped on the glass. And make sure I reset it. It's going to be loud for a second. 49 hertz. Alright, so that burped a 61.6 at 49 hertz for first initial burp. Holy smokes. Whoa. 61.66 dBs at 49 hertz. Let me go ahead and look at the comments, and I'll come back to y'all for the winner for the shout out. Alright, I just checked out the comments, and here's the list of all of the channel you guys that commented that were within 2/10. There were 80 y'all, and then the rest of y'all, there were 23 that were within half a dB. So anybody between a 161 and a 161.9, I'll go ahead and do a shout out right now. So the top comments were Abi Simmons, the 161.6, as well as Gary Hill and Budget Boys. What's up, man? Congrats. Good job, everybody there that just guessed, as well as Sound Life Dirt, Catalin 94 Duru, Acid Death Ritual, Wayne Jones, and Lean Lacombe. I don't know how to pronounce all these, but there's y'all shout out, man. I really appreciate y'all watching, as well as good job with the guess. You might not be dead on with the hertz frequency for some of y'all, but y'all were still spot on with the meter results being within 2/10. So I just wanted to give y'all a shout out there. Really good job. And the other 23 that were within half a dB, let's go through real quick. I'm going to mention everybody's name and make sure I mention y'all's name and give y'all a shout out in this video. I really appreciate y'all guessing and getting really close. Matt Wheat, Bill Stereo, DJ Rock On, Basshead, Mendrano 89, NOX2K, Tahoe Nisha, I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry. D-Mod, Joby Cadron, sorry, I can't pronounce all of these. Jamie Havicon Show, The Custom Channel, Jason Cruz, Cahill, Flavigny, whatever I can't pronounce, Jose, Robin Cope, DJ Tone, Hashdog06, John Richer, Rajax Tico, Daniel Rumi, Miguel J, Tough Sams, 4D Go-Karts. So there's y'all shout out. Everybody that was within half a dB, I wanted to make sure I give a call out for everybody there. I really appreciate y'all all watching. 8 people within 2/10, 23 others that were within half a dB, 161 to 169 guess on the meter. I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. There's your shout out, and congrats. Good job, everybody. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it with that. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos on the second channel for more meter results, as well as testing, tuning, more tweaks, and what we can do with getting the system as loud as we can with 6,000 watts, as well as future power. So shout outs are done. Demo has already been complete. There'll be more demos on both channels. Stay tuned, second channel, for a lot of footage for the next few weeks. And I'll see y'all soon. Subscribe if you haven't. And for anybody still watching, meter results video on second channel soon. Fully taped enclosure. Thanks for watching. There's a spoiler. I'll see y'all on the second channel for meter results. Difference taped and non-taped. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.